Have you ever wondered what everything in the universe is made up of? Well, it all comes down to two fundamental building blocks, atoms and molecules. Diving in, atoms are the smallest units of an element that retain the chemical properties of that element. Think about hydrogen, for example. It's made up of hydrogen atoms, and oxygen is made up of oxygen atoms. These atoms are made up of three subatomic particles: protons, which are positively charged and found in the nucleus; neutrons, which are electrically neutral and also reside in the nucleus; and electrons, negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus in what we call electron shells or energy levels. Now, the number of protons in the nucleus is what determines the element's atomic number, which uniquely identifies it. Now let's shift gears to molecules. Molecules are what we get when two or more atoms chemically bond together. These atoms can be of the same element or different elements. When atoms combine to form a molecule, they share or transfer electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration. Molecules can consist of atoms of the same element, which we call diatomic molecules, like O2 or N2, or different elements, like H2O or CO2. The arrangement of atoms in a molecule is described by its molecular formula and molecular structure, which can be linear, branched, or three-dimensional. To give you a clearer picture, consider an oxygen atom. A single oxygen atom consists of 8 protons, usually 8 neutrons, and 8 electrons. It is a neutral particle. Now, an oxygen molecule consists of 2 oxygen atoms that are chemically bonded together. Each oxygen atom shares electrons with the other, resulting in a stable molecule with the molecular formula O2. In a nutshell, atoms are the basic units of elements, while molecules are formed when atoms combine through chemical bonds. Grasping these concepts is key to understanding the behavior and interactions of matter in chemistry and physics. So next time you look around, remember that everything you see, everything you touch, is made up of these tiny, fascinating building blocks, atoms and molecules.